Yeah.
I don't even have an intro for this. You know, like I've been doing.
Yeah.
I got
Maybe something will appear. Like that.
What in the world? That was one. That's two. Now comes the short one. 3,
2,
4. There you go. 3 longs and a short. Actually, it's 2 longs, a short, and a long. Yeah, it happens like every 5 minutes. But it's background.
Oh, and there's something else. Guess where we are? We're in an RV park.
Morning.
Good morning.
Love you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good morning, everyone.
Oh my gosh.
Happy Saturday.
Saturday!
Gotta move my pans. Can't see. There we go. February 28th. Oh my goodness. 2026.
Do you realize, remember at the beginning or at the end of January, I said how February is going to have 4 of this and 4 of that, every day. Today's the last day. Starting tomorrow in March. March has the exact same plan as February, only a few extra days at the end of the month, but it's exactly the same. First starts on a Sunday, the 28th will end on a Saturday.
Yes. March is always exactly the same as February with a couple extra days.
What do you mean,
And
always?
Yeah. And every month has
28 days.
Yes. Yes. He thought he tricked us.
I did for a while.
Okay, I have been very negligent in announcing birthdays and anniversaries this month. It's the 28th, right? I mean, the last day of the month. And
every month it'll be the same on the 28th. It'll be the
There will always be.
Okay.
Yes. What are you drinking in that coffee? Do you add something to it? All right. So starting on February 1st, our good friend Dr. Sarah, she was our vet in Montana, and we love her to death. It was her birthday, and it was also Carla Smith's birthday. Woo! Happy birthday, Carla. Hope that you had a great birthday month. On the 2nd, not only Groundhog Day, but my good friend Terry, from when we were kids. I met her when we were 9 years old. We've been friends ever since. Grew up in the same neighborhood. And then on the 4th was our friend Terry, my mom's friend Terry, one of the old lady Yahtzee gals that I play Yahtzee with my mom. It was her birthday. And then we already announced the Cadell anniversary, Bobby Pearl's anniversary. We already talked about that one. On Monday the 16th was Tim Pridemore's birthday.
Woo!
We went to Mexico with Tim. Did you catch last Wednesday's What Up Wednesday?
Go check it out.
It was his birthday that day.
This video is hilarious because Tim is a funny guy. So go check out this video. While we're talking about What Up Wednesday coming up this Wednesday, I'm going to interrupt your birthdays.
That's fine.
We interrupt these birthday messages for this special announcement. Listen to this because we have a music video coming out Wednesday. Another original Tom and Lori RV Life. The Tom and Lori RV Life singers. House on Wheels, We Call Home. Listen to this snippet.
Living the dream in Arizona, where the desert steals the show. Boondocking miles from everybody, just us and the afterglow. All along the...
What do you think about that? You'll hear the whole song Wednesday. It'll come out Wednesday morning, really early in the morning, probably before you're even awake.
Ooh.
So click the subscribe button. That way you'll know exactly when it comes out, okay?
Yes. On the 18th was Jim Finisted's birthday. Happy birthday, Jim.
Birthday, Jim.
Sorry we missed it. On the 19th was my Aunt Jean's birthday, and it was also Eula's birthday. Happy birthday, Eula. We sure do miss you.
Yes, we do.
And then on Friday the 20th was Daisy from Grassroots Living.
That's right.
We know her as someone else, but she goes by Daisy now. So, happy birthday, Daisy.
We love you.
We did talk to you on that day. And then on Monday was our grandson's birthday on the 23rd.
Wow.
Our oldest grandson. I know some of you have older ones, some of you don't have any grandkids, but he turned 18.
Happy birthday, Max.
Oh, 18. Our grandson Max. Happy birthday, Max. We know you had a fantastic time. They went to Disneyland. And then on the 25th, just this past Wednesday, was Renee's birthday. Renee McCullough. Happy birthday, Renee.
Happy birthday.
I sent you a message and you didn't answer, so hopefully you saw it and didn't think that I missed your birthday. So that was our February birthdays and anniversaries that we know of. If you have one and we don't know about it yet, let me know and I will add it to our calendar.
Just email us with your birthday.
Yep.
Okay, there's the email right there. So
info@TomandLoriRVLife.com.
let us know.
Alrighty, well after we chatted with you last Saturday, I made some peanut butter bars. Yum, yum, yum. And this is kind of the theme of the week is video, music, and reading. That's kind of what we've done all week. However, on Sunday, we had a great time with Bob and Pearl, as usual. That's why I made peanut butter bars, because Bob loves those peanut butter bars. So took the over there, and Pearl made a delicious turkey dinner. We played dominoes, and we need to be nicer to our hosts. That's all I'm going to say about that.
What does that mean?
That means we need to let them win once in a while. Tom.
Yeah.
So we have been staying at the what was it? Sleepy Hollow.
Wait a minute.
What?
Carl usually kicks butt.
Okay, we all need to be nicer to Bob. How's that?
Okay. Bob got a win last year.
Last year?
Yeah, he had a win last year.
Oh
He
my
had
gosh.
one.
How many dozens of games do we play with them? And how many dozens has Bob won?
One.
1 dozen?
No, just one.
Oh, Bob, we love you. Monday was a pack-up day. We were leaving Sleepy Hollow and coming to where we are now, Pilot Knob. And it was a big, long travel day. It's like just on the other side of the hill.
Yeah.
But so those are nice, easy, quick travel days. Kaylee loves those.
I don't even know if we call them travel days. They're like a relocation day.
We're relocating. A reset day to a new location.
It's almost like just moving sites.
Almost. Almost. Hey, there are some RV parks out there in this world that are that big.
That big, yeah.
So Wednesday was windy, but it was hot. So it was just a good day to just, you've been having fun doing your song stuff and your videos, and that's kind of what you've been doing. I've been reading and working on cards, and that's kind of the same thing for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Yeah, that's what we did because the temperature in the Yuma area has zoomed. It has the zoomies. It has gone up to the mid-90s, and we're planning out our journeys north.
Yeah, that's another thing that you've been doing is you've been working on our schedule,
Just trying
our
to-
itinerary.
I don't like making reservations at state parks and what do you call Lake Mead? National Park?
National Recreation
National
Area.
Recreation Area. You have to make reservations at those places, and we like staying there on our way north and on our way south. So I've been making different dates, trying to move stuff around, and then I'm trying to fill in the gaps with where we can boondock on the way up there. So it's a challenge to try to make everything fit right, but hey, it's all part of the adventure.
Yes, and all of our plans are written in the sand.
I've already
subject to change.
I've already changed 2 of them.
Yeah, you have.
So-
Already, just in the past few days
Yeah.
of making the plan and then changing it. So
'Cause
everything alters.
I'll think of something and I'm like, ooh, this will fit better if we go 50 miles this way or 35 miles this way. We can boondock here, so things change. Very fluid.
Yep.
That's what's really cool about
Yeah.
this lifestyle.
Yep. And if
It's
we
just
go somewhere, we don't want to stay as long as we had planned, we just change it up and go somewhere else.
And if you've just started following us, you're new to the channel, a lot of the travel days that we do, they are super short days. We learned that from our buddy Dave, Our Endeavor. He doesn't do more than 70 miles a day is where he tries to keep it to. We try to do between 70 and maybe 120 at the most, 125.
At the most, yeah.
But that's pushing it. Usually it's right under 100 miles.
Yeah, just under.
You know, a couple hour drive and we're done for the day. And that's why I'm looking at the maps and I'm like, okay, if we zig and go this way and then tomorrow we zag and go that way, gives us a couple extra boondocking days at different places that we haven't stopped at before.
So when you did that, it kind of reminded me when we were kids, we lived on a hill. So to get home, to make it easier to ride your bike, you kind of zigzagged because you're going this way a little bit and this way. So that's what we're doing. We're zigzagging slowly up the hill to get to Reno. A switchback, is that what they call it when you're hiking and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what we used to do on our street, going up the hill, riding our
God,
bikes.
I can remember being a kid getting a switchback.
That was a switch on your backside. A little different. A little different.
Tommy! It's like, uh-oh.
So we even watch it, we watch videos, people like touring new RVs and people that have just gotten their RVs and they do a tour. Something that's become popular, and I don't get it, what the excitement is. And if you've ever heard of this or if you have one of these,
let us know in the comments, what's the purpose of it?
A cup wash.
On the sink, on these new RVs, they have a cup wash.
Put a cup and you put it here and the water swirls up in there. What's the difference of you turning the handle, rinsing it out? I don't get it. Is it just a fun new little gadget or something?
To me, it looks like it wastes water, especially if you're hardcore boondockers.
That's a waste of water.
It's...
Yep. We don't understand it. But if you have one, let us know if you do and how you feel about it. Is your cup empty? It needs to go in a cup wash.
Here's our cup washer.
Ooh,
Here, put it back. Put it back in the cabinet.
No. No.
We just don't. I don't get it. It's a new.
So that was one thing that we noticed, and another thing, we saw some people that actually bought an RV sight unseen. I mean, no apps. They probably had pictures and video or whatever, or they knew the model, but their actual rig, they hadn't even seen it yet.
I couldn't do that. I would have to either drive or fly to wherever that rig is and at least walk on the roof and inspect it and look at it.
I think it was a brand new one, but still.
Same thing. I want to see it. I want to feel it. I want to smell it.
Well, yeah. I mean, what if there was something wrong? Like you said, something wrong with the roof. Just because it's brand spanking new doesn't mean that there aren't issues. And it was just, I mean, have you ever done that? Bought anything, a car or something like that, a house? That's another thing we don't understand.
I tried everything out before I bought it.
He researches for years before he commits to something.
That's right.
So he did. He test drove this for quite a while.
Hey, now.
Wasn't brand new anymore. Oh, thank you guys for being here today with us. We appreciate you so much. Please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment, share us with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and click that bell to get notified whenever we put out a new episode of Tom and Lori RV Life. Hype us on your mobile device. That would be fantastic.
Speaking of hype, farther down the road, thank you for hyping us. They hype our videos almost every week.
Aw, thanks you guys. That's Jeremy and Jennifer.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Our fellow Cardinal buddies. All right, is that it?
That's it.
That's all we got. All right, everybody, you have a fantastic week. We will see ya.
In Taylor we roam, hearts on repeat. Life is short, let's make it sweet. Da, 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 da.